In this video, we can learn how to create organization chart in PowerPoint 365 under 2 minutes. Let's start. Make org charts in PowerPoint. Open Microsoft PowerPoint 365 apps. Using text box tool to create text in PowerPoint. Input name team in corporate business, setting bullet point and press tab in your keyboard if change position. After done, select all and press Ctrl+C in your keyboard. Click Insert and select Smart Art. Choose See Smart Art Graphic and select Hierarchy, choose Style. Click arrow this and paste name team. Setting position with press tab in your keyboard. If you change the color, select Change Color. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to learn new updated videos about PowerPoint tutorials from the PPT Template channel. Thanks for watching.